Alright, so it took a second to get that. I had to kind of do it off camera for a second. But actually it just kind of stuck again. Just gotta take your time with it. There it goes, it's loose. Yeah, so that, yeah, I can see it's a ground on the side of that motor. Alright, so the board comes out. And these are the parts I was talking about. You got the two terminals here on the motor, and then this is like a ground. And so all that, those three all have to be resoldered. But if you look down inside of here, if you can see, inside of there is a potentiometer. A black box that's down inside. And there's one little screw there. I'm going to have to unscrew. Get that out. And then I should be able to get that potentiometer out of there. And that's what we're going to transplant to the elbow. Is. Alright, so just basically going to have to trim these off. I'm going to cut these and then we'll have to route them out through here with these other wires. I'll cut like a little bit more of an opening and we can fit them through. We'll keep the wires, the colors, so that we can match it up after. So we're just going to do something like this. Take it off. And we'll save this for later to put in the elbow. These are going to come out through here. But what I'm going to do is probably take off the insulation. Just like that. Twist them a little so they don't just fray and break. There we go. Okay, so now we can put our board back in here, and we'll have to resolder these. Making sure these wires, you know what, before I put that back in, we're going to have to make that hole a little bigger. So we've got a couple choices on how we're going to do that. I can either grind that out, I guess I could melt it. I could just take the soldering iron and just melt it a little bit bigger hole so I can get those out. Probably make it a little bit more round too when we do that. Probably quick, dirty, and easy. See how it does. Oh yeah, this will be fine. That way those, there we go. Now those wires will fit through. Trim off the excess. Not bad at all. And now those wires will fit through. Let's see. See how they do. Yep, there we go. That way we can just solder some wires onto those. I'd like to. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little drop of super glue right there, just to keep them in place. have any hot glue, so I'm just going to do this just to kind of keep them bundled together so they don't slip back in. Putting this back. Go. That should be enough. Let's see if this is going to fit back on. I have to cut it a little deeper, but I think it should fit. Oh yeah, that's going to do just fine. Okay. So I guess it's back to soldering these back on. So let me get set up and we'll do that here in just a second.